Hi everyone, Von McNally here with Tasty Fare 101, and today we're going to make the best macaroni and cheese you've ever tasted. All with this handy dandy Instant Pot and all the other ingredients that go into it. Okay, well the first thing I guess we need to do is take off the lid and put that to the side. Take out elbow macaroni, which is that's a pound. 16 ounces, we'll just put it right in there. And I'm using organic chicken broth today, so I'll just add that right in there. That's 1 liter or 4 cups, however you want to look at it. And let's put some butter in there too. About that much. I guess that's about 4 tablespoons, and some sea salt. There we go. Let's give it a mix just a little bit. There we go. Get things stirred up just so it's covered. All right. Put that down, and we're gonna put the lid back on. I'm doing this backwards, so it's a little different for me. Let me see. Okay. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna have to come around here so I can see these controls. So I'm gonna just give me 1 second here. So it's going to be pressure cook. I'm doing it for 4 minutes, and the pressure level, I want it high. So that's all I need to do. Pressure is going to build up. It's going to run for 4 minutes. Going to cook that pasta in there for 4 minutes, and then I'm going to leave it in there for 3 or 4 minutes after that's done, just to release some of the steam kind of naturally instead of using the steam release. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back. Cooker's done. The pasta's done, I'm sure. So we're gonna take off the lid and we're gonna start adding some more ingredients to make this the best macaroni and cheese ever. And one extra ingredient that's gonna blow your socks off. So we're taking this off and just gonna put it over here for a minute. We don't need that anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some garlic. Let's do that. And let's put a little mustard in there just for poops and giggles. We like mustard, everybody likes mustard. And here's some hot sauce. This is a garlic hot sauce. Use anything that you like. Don't use too much, don't use too little. All right, that's there, that's done. And now we are going to add whipping cream. A cup of whipping cream. Oh, it's gonna make your day. It's gonna make your day. So we're gonna just pour that right in there. Get as much of that out of there as possible. Bingo. All right, let's give it a little bit of a stir. That's right. Give it a stir. Make sure it's all in there. Oh, look at that steam coming out. Excellent. So the first thing, I have 3 cheeses because I like 3 cheeses. I like things in 3s. So smoked Gouda is my first number 1 choice. So we're putting the smoked Gouda in first. Putting that. And Parmesan. Love Parmesan. And I grated both of those myself. Give it a little stir. And some mozzarella. Mozzarella makes it a little stringy. Here we go. And all that cheese goodness in there. Oh my goodness. It's looking so good. So here's my little secret ingredient. I love bacon. A lot of people love bacon. This is a Black Forest bacon that I've had in the oven 20 minutes, 22 minutes, give or take, at 400. And I pre-cut it with a pair of scissors. So just make my life a little easier. I'm gonna toss that right in there. You can add in as much as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you. So yeah, we have got ourselves some bad to the bone macaroni and cheese. Go ahead and change this recipe as much as you want. If you want to add 1 cheese, add 1 cheese. If you don't want to have the bacon, don't add the bacon. If you don't want to have the chicken, chicken broth, don't add chicken broth. Use water instead. It's fine. It's all good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to have, that's not a very good spoon to use. I think I'll use this guy right here. And I'm going to dish out some of this deliciousness. And I think adding some of this that Shelly clipped for me, just for make it look pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, folks, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe. And hey, we'll see you next time. Here's to your health. So good. We're gonna try this. Wish I had a spoon. Yeah, no do. Get a little piece of bacon in there too. Oh.